Welcome back, dear friends. We're glad you came to visit us and share this moment with us today. We're going to do a gentle core class for your low back using Pilates methods. These poses are designed to support your low back, improve pelvis, and support your spine awareness. We're going to start off with a breath to calm your nervous system, and it helps you deepen your practice with the breath awareness, and it helps your blood flow as well. So let's begin with a simple 4 breath in and 6 breath out. That helps your anxiety, helps the lower muscles to relax. The thumb and your middle finger is your heart center, your energy point. So breathe right into the heart, activate your heart center. Take a deep breath in while you smile, and then slowly exhale out and go release the tension out of the body. Beautiful. One more time. Inhale through the nose, and exhale out from the mouth. One more time. It helps to close your eyes and relax. And now, 4 breath in and hold 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Soften your jaw. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax the whole body. Relax your head. Relax the shoulders. Relax your torso, your arms and legs. Good, let's go ahead and relax your arms now by the knee. Dropping your chins to your chest. And then circle around your head. Just relax the neck. And then circle the other way. And back. Good. Bring head up and down. Bringing your arms straight up, palms together. Lift the chest. And slowly exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. And relax. Good. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and begin. We're going to do simple cat and cow that helps to warm the spine. Shoulders underneath the wrists, knee under the hip. As you inhale, looking up. Exhale, rounding, arch your back. Inhale as your pelvis, your lower upper chest, your cervical lifts up. And then exhale and arching your back. Good. Continue this, slow motion. One more. Okay, now I'm going to do spinal balance. Taking your right arm straight out and your left leg straight. Now square your hips to the floor. Hold, inhale, exhale, and down. Other side, left arm and the right leg straight down, toes facing the mat. Inhale, exhale, and down. We're going to continue this several more times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Continue your flow with me. Beautiful. Just 10 minutes a day to keep your spine active, Okay, now I'm just going to twist to the right and twist to the left. Now from here, we're just going to arch your back like a cat, squeeze your belly in, lengthening the spine. Hold for 3 to 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more. Good. Now let's go ahead and round. Look up to the ceiling. Open the throat. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more. Good. Okay, now we're going to come down, sitting on your sit bone. Slow and gentle. You don't have to be rushing. Palms flat. You're going to tuck the pelvis in and then release. Inhale, exhale, squeeze the belly, release. Continue. And release. Tuck and release. Keep going. About 10 of this. Inhale, exhale, and release. Inhale, exhale towards your belly and release. 2 more. Good. Now we're going to do the bridge. The bridge the same way. We're going to inhale, tuck, and exhale as you lift all the way up. Feel the shoulders onto the mat. And then slowly come down 1 vertebrae at a time. Exhale. So inhale, exhale out. And then inhale, slowly exhaling down. So you rotate like an accordion. All the way up. Palms flat, shoulders relaxed. And slowly come down 1 vertebrae at a time. And inhale, exhale. Good. How are you feeling? If you need to rest, please rest, okay? Just do what you can. Not a race. Your body is talking to you. And then slowly come down 1 vertebrae at a time. Good job, guys. And now spinal twist. Take both knees to the right, head to the left. And you can take your right hand and pull the upper knee down. Turn the head to the inhaling, exhaling, smile. It helps. Just you can close your eyes and just stretch it out. Breathe in and out. Good. And then back to center. And then do the other side, taking your both knees to the left, head to the right. And if you can feel your oblique, stretch it out, hold that knee down, and inhale, exhale. And then keep talking to your body. I am strong. I get better and better every day. My body is healed. Not healing, but healed. You're talking and it already happened. All right, back to center. It may take a while for you to feel it. Give yourself a week to being positive, affirmations, mantras, and then bringing your head to the knee. Hold. Inhale, exhale. If you need to put your head down, that's okay. Go ahead and place it down. The knees to the chest go. But if you can, just work in the digestive system, the lower back. Inhale, exhale. And then slowly come down. And your knee underneath the hips and palms flat. So